Now we'll show how to tag a party and share the same party across multiple warehouses. You can see 2 warehouses here with different parties added. First, open the Shirdi warehouse to check which parties are present. Sharing a party across locations makes billing, deliveries, and reporting consistent and saves time. In the Shirdi warehouse, we added 3 parties: Party 1, Party 2, and Party 3. And these will show only in this warehouse because parties are maintained separately for each warehouse. Now let's open the Pune warehouse to check which parties are assigned there. This warehouse also has the same basic parties we added for its needs, and each warehouse keeps its party list separate so records stay clean. Now we'll create common parties that can be shared across all warehouses. So billing, deliveries, and reports stay consistent and you save time. Let's create a new party called Common Party and assign a tag so it can be used across different warehouses. Since there are no tags yet, click Add Tag, create a tag named Common, and it will be automatically assigned to the party. You can name tags however you need. Click Create and the party is immediately created with the selected tag. So you can make tags and parties exactly how you need them. We've already made 2 parties with the common tag. Next, we'll attach these common parties to the Shirdi warehouse. And it's very easy to do. In just a few clicks, the process completes. Open the Action menu, select Manage Tags to see all your created tags, and click the Attach button to link the parties with the common tag to this warehouse. Once you click Attach button, those parties become immediately available in the warehouse. Quick, simple, and already done. You also get a Detach button to remove these parties from a warehouse easily. And once attached, you'll see the common parties appear in your Party Master. It's a simple but powerful feature that will save you a lot of manual work and time. These attached parties cannot be edited or deleted from this warehouse because they were not created here. Only parties created inside the selected warehouse can be changed or removed. When you make an inward or outward transaction, you can still pick these shared parties easily. So using them for billing and stock movements is quick and simple. Select an item in the cart, choose the default batch, enter the quantity, and attach the transaction to a common party you had already tagged for this warehouse. By using the tagging feature like this, you can reuse the same parties across multiple warehouses easily, saving time and keeping your billing and stock entries consistent. This tagging feature is built with careful validations, so it works reliably. You can test it yourself to see how it behaves in different situations. If you disable a tag from the warehouse where it was created, that tag and its parties will immediately lose access in every warehouse where they were shared, keeping your data consistent and secure. As soon as we disable the tag, those parties will no longer be accessible in our Shirdi warehouse. We built this software with every important detail in mind, so your work stays fast, secure, and efficient. If you liked this feature, please like the video so we can show you more smart tools. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get every new update as soon as it's released. In the next video, we'll show how to hand over the software to your staff so they can use your setup to manage everything smartly and smoothly.